If you've been eyeing the EchoLabs earbuds because of their bold claims, smart touch controls, deep bass, AI voice assistance, waterproof design, and premium sound, then this video is for you because you need to know the full story before hitting that buy button. On the surface, EchoLabsAudio.com looks like it's offering cutting-edge tech at a tempting price. But when I dug deeper, some serious red flags started to show. There's no reliable proof of any third-party certifications or actual technical specifications, which is a big warning sign when it comes to audio gear. The company lists only a vague PO box address and provides no physical location or real customer service presence. Even more concerning is the total absence of any official social media accounts, no Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube presence, which is unusual for a brand claiming to sell next-gen tech. The reviews on their site feel generic and overly positive, almost like they were copied and pasted rather than written by real customers. But it gets worse. Several negative reviews on Trustpilot mention poor product quality, delayed shipping, zero refunds, and in some cases, people outright accusing the company of being a scam. In this review, I didn't just walk through the usual marketing features. I put the earbuds to the test and focused on real-world results. While this isn't a purely negative review, I can't call it positive either. It's a fair and critical look at what you're actually getting. If you're still considering a purchase, the product is tagged in this video.